Good evening, friends. On behalf of Banking Quest, I, Tilak Gulati, extend you warm welcome. Friends, Banking Quest has been envisioned by senior level bankers with the sole aim of developing next generation bankers. We have been achieving this objective with the help of our illustrative website, analytical blogs, trainings, workshops, webinars, articles written in leading financial dailies, and also through our YouTube channel. Friends, I am happy to announce that so far we have trained more than 5,000 bankers. Friends, during the last 1 year, during this pandemic period, we have conducted a host of training programs. To name a few, we have conducted pre-promotional training to officers of State Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Indian Bank, Bank of India, UCO Bank, and various private banks, regional rural banks, payments banks, small finance banks, and cooperative banks. We have also conducted workshops for various banks. We have conducted foreign exchange training programs with interbank participation, credit management training programs with interbank participation, and program on risk management in banks and NBFCs with interbank participation. Friends, we have been able to achieve this objective due to the hard work and dedication of our core team. To introduce you with our core team, we have Professor Dr. Rajiv Kishore Dubey, former Chairman cum Managing Director of Canara Bank, Mr. Hargovind Sachdev, former General Manager, State Bank of India and Head of Central European Credit Desk of SBI, Frankfurt, Germany, Mr. Sanjay Khuri, former General Manager, State Bank of India, Mr. Rajesh Mahajan, former General Manager, Bank of Baroda, Mr. Vaman Gokhale, former Deputy General Manager, Central Bank of India, Mr. Adarsh Sachdev, former Deputy General Manager and Faculty, State Bank Academy, Mr. Nagaraj Susurula Ramasubba Rao, former Director, State Bank of India Regional Training Institute, Mr. Isaac Kudu, Trade Finance Specialist and former Regional Head Sales, ICICI Bank, Ma'am Surendrajit Kaur, former Assistant General Manager and Faculty, State Bank of India, Mr. Alok Kurushestra, former Executive, Punjab National Bank, Mr. Vijay Kumar Chatwal, former Executive and Faculty, Punjab National Bank, and I am Tilak Gulati, former Principal, Staff Training College, UCO Bank. Presently, I am the Chief Executive of Banking Quest. Friends, our this foreign exchange training program, today we are starting level 2 of this foreign exchange training program. This level 2 along with level 2, well level 3, starting from today 14th of August, it will continue up to the 3rd of October 2021. Friends, with the full confidence I can say that this program will be extremely beneficial for bankers, officials working in financial institutions, students pursuing Forex management program, exporters as well as importers. Friends, this program has been structured into 2 levels with a total of 16 sessions. Each session will be of 1 hour duration from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday. Friends, we have already circulated with you the program brochure. Friends, the special feature of all our online training programs is, besides conducting live session, we also share recording of each session with the participants in case any participant misses the program due to official or personal compulsion or due to network issues. We also share the write-up on the session with the participants, and this write-up is uploaded on our website bankingquest.com. During the session, we share on the WhatsApp small quiz with the participants. We also share the periodical test paper with the participants, and at the end of the session, we issue certificate to the participants. Friends, this entire training, foreign exchange training program has been designed, structured, and will be directed by Mr. Hargovind Sachdev. Mr. Hargovind Sachdev, former General Manager, State Bank of India, has over 39 years of banking experience, having occupied senior positions in UCO Bank, United Bank of India, State Bank of Patiala, State Bank of Travancore, and State Bank of India, where he headed the Central European Credit Desk at Frankfurt, Germany, covering 15 countries of Central Europe. Mr. Sachdev has undergone international banking training from Asian Institute of Management, Manila, Philippines, and a multi-currency lending technique training at the Euro Money Institute, London. Mr. Hargovind Sachdev has specialization in credit, foreign exchange, vigilance, monitoring, and appraisal of corporate loan, MSME credit, gold loan, agriculture loan, NRI business management in assets and liabilities. Mr. Hargovind Sachdev is an independent director and consultant to various big entities in the corporate sector at present. Before I request Mr. Hargovind Sachdev to deliberate upon the first session of our level 2 of foreign exchange training program, friends, I am happy to announce that today we have with us Professor Dr. Rajiv Kishore Dubey, former chairman and managing director of Canara Bank. I welcome you, Professor Dr. Rajiv Kishore Dubey, sir. Friends, it is our privilege that Professor Dr. Rajiv Kishore Dubey has accepted our request to inaugurate these training programs. I request Professor Dr. Rajiv Kishore Dubey to kindly inaugurate this training program with his inaugural address. I request Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey to kindly address the participants. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, friends. My dear Mr. Tilak Gulati, my dear Shri Hargovind Sachdeva, and dear participants from all over the country, from different banks. I am very happy to see all of you intending to learn foreign exchange at various levels 1, 2, 3. Really, it is a pleasure, and I must congratulate Mr. Gulati and his team of chosen faculty who are competent experts in their respective areas. I know Mr. Sachdev very, very well. He is a personal friend, a very knowledgeable person. You all are lucky, my dear friend, that you have got such eminent faculty, who are quite fit, who are very, very, very efficient, with a very good flow in foreign exchange. Foreign exchange is a bit technical area. It is not a usual general banking, debit or credit, where you even can go with the look back and go ahead concept. Here you have to be thorough. The movement of currency, there is a fluctuation in currency. The markets, that foreign exchange markets are different. When Indian market works, the US market is not working. When US market, because the timing zone is different for Asia, for Pacific, for Australia, for Dubai, for England, for US, and for Europe. So with proper experience and exposure only, you can track down the things. I have seen the formatting of the schedules of this one, your session 1, then 2, then 3. All are very important. If somebody joins first, then you have to go for the second and third. And if you don't miss any class, you are really richer in knowledge and richer in experience. One important benefit to you is you may become friend of these senior faculty members who are relatively sometimes can afford time to you on their mail IDs or on their WhatsApp messages to clarify your doubts and to keep you updated with the latest developments. It is really indeed a pleasure for me, and I am thankful to Mr. Gulati, who has remembered. I was also a training manager principal of Punjab National Bank Training College in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh for 3 years in the late 90s, before the new Bank of India merged with Punjab National Bank. That was in way back in 89, 90, 91. So that experience also I am having, and in PNB, in Central Bank, and in Canara Bank, in various capacities, I have seen every inch of banking, and I personally feel that this knowledge is essential. You may go abroad, your horizon will be broadened, and you will be posted in only authorized foreign exchange branches, And in those places where you can utilize this knowledge, you can then claim with your bank that you may be considered for posting there. Some of you might be working already in the foreign exchange department. For you, it will be like sharpening your skills further, brushing them, further, and then making them updated. Some of those who are ambitious in their career and want to go ahead in foreign exchange areas, then you will have opportunity to learn from basics onward. So with these words, I won't take much of time. Would not like to come in between Shri Sachdevaji and his team of eminent experts for various sessions. And I am very happy that Gulati ji has talked to all of them, all of you, and he has kept the time Saturday, Sunday, weekends, 8:30 to 9:30. And even if it goes 10-15 minutes ahead, you leisurely at home, online, can learn and can get the nuances sitting at your home only, nowhere to go. Video recording you can get. The moment program is over, its recording is edited and properly uploaded in the LinkedIn and various other sites where these things. YouTube also is using well. So the media, the entire social media is abuzz with Banking Quest. My compliments to all those who are associated, right from Tilak Gulati ji downwards. And I compliment all of you to have chosen to join this course. My best wishes for a very good career to you all. Over to you, Mr. Gulati and Mr. Hargovind Sachdeva.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Professor Dr. Rajiv Kishore Dubey, thank you very much, sir, for your inspirational and guiding words. With the guiding address, I am confident that our participants will have confidence to learn foreign exchange, which is a special area in the field of banking. So I request now our program director, Mr. Hargovind Sachdev, former General Manager, State Bank of India, to kindly take over.
Well, before we begin, I would like to thank Professor Dr. Rajiv Dubey ji, who is a stalwart in banking, and respected Lokesh Kumar ji of Exim Bank, he is also a basically HRD person. And with his induction into Canara Bank after his illustrious stints in Punjab National Bank and other bank as GM and Executive Director, he brought a humane face of Canara under tough competition. And today we know Canara Bank is one of the best banks in India. Sir, you have been very magnanimous in encouraging our group. And, we are all worshippers of Ma Saraswati. So I will just say 2 lines in your honor. I will just say कि मत पूछो इनके कद का अंदाज, मत पूछो इनके कद का अंदाज, हिमालय से ऊंचे हैं फिर भी सिर झुकाए बैठे हैं. Thank you, sir, for joining us and giving us Ashirwad, because all of us are very anxious to learn what exactly is foreign exchange in the fast shrinking world where the world has become, a simple village.
Dear friends, it's our privilege that we have with us Mr. Lokesh Kumar, General Manager, Export-Import Bank of India. I welcome you, sir, on this platform. I request Mr. Lokesh Kumar to kindly say a few words of guidance to motivate the participants.
Mr. Lokesh is a very modest, but he's a very accomplished banker. I tell you, he can really add value to our deliberations. Sir, kindly.
So nice of you, sir. Thank you very much. It has been a really very nice interactive session. And I really appreciate that one of the gains for this pandemic is this virtual meeting and virtual media and virtual meeting and VC and Zoom and all. So these are the advantages which everybody should encash, and I'm happy that we have got a good number of participants attending this training, which is very practice oriented, I would say. I remember my days in commercial bank when I was handling in the foreign exchange department when I was working. At that point of time, these were the basic thing which I learned, which still helps me when I do the larger volume transaction or I do the policy type of arrangement and all. So my request to all the participants would be to focus and hear what Mr. Sachdeva says and ask as many questions as you can. So the questions will only make your understanding more sharp and more clear. I wish all the best to all the participants, and thank you, Mr. Gulati and Mr. Sachdeva, for taking the pain of doing this training session at such a leisurely hours on the weekends. I know some of the participants would not be very happy to spoil their weekends, but I don't think there could be a better time than this 8:30 to 9:30 on the weekends, when after coming home and there is partly pandemic induced lockdown, you can utilize your time very productively. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Lokesh ji. Thanks a lot. Yes, sir. Hargobind Sachdev ji, kindly conclude the session, sir.
I will only say, ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफ तो क्या मजा है जीने में, बड़े बड़े तूफान भी थम जाते हैं जब आग लगी हो सीने में. आप सीने में आग लगा के रखो. Knowledge will also kiss your feet and you will become a winner banker. Thank you and good night.
Thank you, Lokesh ji. Hargobind Sachdev. Thanks all the participants.